Welcome back to another video. As you can see, the kids are so excited. Our pool is finally ready. Like, who would have thought that it would just have taken us 6 days of doing nothing to the pool for it to finally clear itself up? But I guess that's the beauty of having a saltwater pool. It's been 2 full days since we've been back from vacation. We went to St. Martin. If you haven't watched that vlog, go do so, lots of fun. But I cannot recommend that resort enough. We stayed at the Divvy Bay Beach Resort. We chose the all-inclusive option. I definitely recommend that if you just don't want to worry about having like a crazy high bill in the end, because they're a cashless, for the most part, also a cardless resort, and they just charge everything to your room. So, you know, that can be a little bit of a shocker on your last day when you go to sign for that bill. But Nick and I drank like the world was ending. So I'm so glad we chose that option. So I'll be catching up on water over the next week or so until I feel like my body has regulated. I have like really big bags under my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see, but like my face feels a little bit puffy. My hair has definitely changed colors. I did dye it like a damn near black color, and I have blonde in the front, and my grays are coming through with a vengeance. So I do need to get in a hair appointment soon, but lots going on over the next couple of days. 4th of July is in 2 days. We're having a cookout here at our house. So today, while the kids are in the pool, I'm just gonna finish up all the things here in the yard that I haven't had time to do before we had left. Then the next day, Saturday the 5th, we are possibly going to Block Island, as at least right now that's the plan. And then Sunday we're going to our favorite beach. It's Wiskonotown Beach, which is the one that's directly next door to Misquamicut State Beach. And then we have an extremely large reservation at the Windjammer. There's 20 of us going, so lots going on. Should be lots of fun. I'm gonna try not to drink too much. I'm looking forward to some family members coming in from out of town and challenging them to cornhole, because I think that is like Nick and I's thing when everybody comes, is challenging them to cornhole, and we usually win. Taking a quick break from gardening. The girls just went with their mom for the night. River and I are in the car. We're on the way to pick up Kennedy from work, but I had the worst luck today. Tell me why, when I was cleaning up the table and the umbrella, when I was opening it up, I got bit by a spider on the bottom of my lip. And then maybe 15-20 minutes later, when I went to go skim the pool because I had just opened the top, so a bunch of leaves fell in. I got stung by a bee on the palm of my hands. Like, what kind of luck do you have to have for both of those things to happen to you in the same day? Also, my makeup looks terrible today. My skin is so blotchy from the sun. It looks like I have like dark spots all over my face. It's really just where like my makeup seems to be like peeling off. It's making it seem like I have freckles everywhere. Look at the good daughter bringing me a coffee and bringing her brother a colada. But she's also taking forever, so she really needs to hurry up. I'm tired of waiting here. So it's the next day. Today is July 3rd. I have a couple of clients today. My sister's coming with her son, and then one of my oldest clients, Monica, is coming. I'm just running really quick to Stop and Shop. There was a couple of things that we forgot to grab, and I saw this really cool idea on Pinterest for a DIY centerpiece. I don't know if anyone's noticed, but I do have a rather large kitchen table. Nick built it, a farmhouse. It's like 8 feet. So it can get pretty expensive when I'm trying to do like a tablescape. So I found something. I'm going to attempt to do it. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm just going to go run and grab the stuff before all my clients come. And then Nick's parents had dropped off a bunch of meat that I need to season for tomorrow for the cookout. So I have to do all that, cook dinner, and get my table looking a little bit better, because having an 8-foot table with nothing on it, it looks so bare. So I want to fix that before our guests come. I just got back in from the stores. I'm just taking a quick rest. I feel like I'm overheating. Unfortunately, the Dollar Tree did not have the foam blocks that I was looking for. So the idea that I found on Pinterest that looked really cool on someone else's farmhouse table that was really similar to mine, they took a table runner and then like the foam blocks that you can wet sometimes. I see a lot of people, it's like really trendy right now to put on top of like a champagne or a wine bottle, and then just like stick it like really, really full of faux flowers. That way it lasts the whole season. But I might run out to Michael's. But if anyone knows this area that I'm in, the Smithfield Crossing Plaza is insane around this time, let alone adding the fact that tomorrow is the 4th of July. So I might try to go later because, like I said, the table is super bare, as I'm sure you can see it right over my shoulder. I'm just gonna season up some food, get it ready for tomorrow. Nick will probably be the master of the grill, but I just wanna help out and get it ready. And then also I have to cook dinner for today. We're cooking so much food. I'm like already sick of planning meals, just looking at all this stuff. But the salmon is gonna be for tonight. Nick is going to smoke and reverse sear these ginormous steaks, some handmade burgers, and then for the chicken, the drums are going to be like a garlic and herb, and then the wings are going to be jerk. And then we have 2 additional seafood options. S'mores are a must, and then about 4 dishes of carbs coming. Look at these crazy kids. Having fun?
Yeah. Wait.
Looks like Nick is about to do something really cool with our lawn. And now he's got the drone up in the sky. Oh yeah, whatever this is, it's going to be good. New England weather, if anybody is not familiar, it is insane. It is crazy raining, thunder, lightning, and it's actually hailing. And a good 90 seconds ago, it was so sunny outside. I see what he did. He put like stars and stripes in the grass. I bet that looks really cool on the drone shot.
We're going to need more juice. So those are doubles.
They're practicing now because they know they're gonna lose.
I hope didn't it call JetBlue?
Fire. That's perfect. That's perfect, Jeff.
Yeah. This is
Damn.
fantastic.
As usual, we made way too much food. And there's a good 6 more dishes outside.
When we come back, I'll dance.
Come on.
So Leah, why? Why? Oh.
Alright, Ray. Bobo.
Hi, Bobo.
When I come back, it's
Okay,
wood.
Bobo, come.
Reordained.
Thank you, baby. No, don't fall on the neck.
When did you tell me you come?
I didn't know that I had to, but I told Rain.
When?
Beautiful Rain.
When?
And I even asked her what to bring.
Yesterday.
And I did bring stuff.
What you bring, as long as you bring yourself. Do you understand? Where's fine? Touch it.
Why
touch
you
it.
so?
Touch
Why
it.
you so?
Because it's high end.
Pepper sauce.
All the food's over there. Pepper's in the fridge. You want pepper?
I don't know.
Mama?
I don't know.
Ethan's? Alright? I want you to know there's wings here.
Oh, sorry. It's good. I don't want pepper. Oh, good.
I don't hear any voices over there. What's going on?
Food.
I asked her, she said she is not willing to give up that water for that for food.
Andy's bringing an extra chair, so you might as well go.
I will go back.
Is that the lemon blueberry?
Kai.
That's my
Yummy, yummy. I got love in my tummy.
Oh my God, is there something in here? Oh, no. I got so nervous.
I like the blueberry.
Oh, you guys are really just trying to out yourself.
Pound cake, lemon blueberry cheesecake brownies, nut brownies.
Oh, man.
She said, I don't know how we do all that, though.
Hi, Nai Nai. Nai Nai. How long have you been swimming?
Since the morning time, and it's now 8:30.
Oh, wow.
Bo's been swimming for 12 hours. Dad, did you hear that?
All right.
You just missed the show. You missed Wayne's show.
The show?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yes.
It's so good.
He's finally home.
Wait, Anaya, your marshmallow's burnt.
I'm not marshmallow.
Oh, no. It's dry.
Whoa, buddy.
Fireworks! No, it wasn't August yet.
Whose turn is it to go in the water?
You didn't even
Your
go
turn.
in.
Hi, fans! Did you tighten them? What?
Whales in the pool?
Yo, that's crazy.
Jay, what is that? It's me. I'm a baby whale.
Hi, guys. I'm the camera woman. Okay, we're taking a group photo now. Bye. I'll go without goggles.
What you got there? Oh, now you want to get
You guys are caught. I was told to come get the lobster hounds. It's time for you to go home. You're on camera. I already saw you. You can't escape, okay? It is time to go home. Slurp it down. Time to go.
Hello?
No, I go to Manny.
No, Manny's here.
Larry. Stop pictures on them.
You are a slave to the lobster, dude.
It's Saturday. I am so drained. We ended up skipping Block Island. Everybody was so tired. The kids didn't even wake up until maybe about noon. I did have to wake up early today because I had one client, and when I was done with her, when I came back upstairs, I was like, oh my God, the kitchen was like a disaster. Like, I kind of put stuff away last night, but I didn't do a full clean, and there was lobster juice all over the floor, and the smell was so bad. So I went crazy in the kitchen. I bleached everything, the walls, the floors, the baseboards. Like, I just couldn't get the smell out of the kitchen. And then I had to clean up outside. That was a quick cleanup. It was just throwing stuff in the trash. But tomorrow, we are gonna go to the beach after River's football game, so we do have to get up early. I am hoping that we all get a good night's rest today. But the kids I just set up over here, they're gonna make some cupcakes and some banana nut muffins for the beach tomorrow. We do try to bring as many snacks as we can. And then we do have the reservation at Windjammer at 3 o'clock. So I'm really looking forward to that. It was a nice, easy day. It's honestly, I needed it. I don't feel guilty for not really doing much, for not working out. Sometimes it's just what you need. Like, my face feels so puffy. I have like dark circles and bags, and I have a little tingling sensation in my cheeks. It's probably from all the salt. So I was trying not to drink, but my husband did just make me a rum punch. This is what he was making everybody yesterday, and it was such a big hit, and I was having white wine and I didn't have it. But it's a little sweet for my preference, but I'm gonna drink it since he made it for me. But that's probably gonna be it for me. I'm gonna get back to my water after that, and then I'm actually gonna go to sleep.
If you used to buy that.
Where do I put them?
I got the side.
Okay. Pour it in, I'll do that. I'm gonna do the water first and then the vegetable oil. I'll take it. Yeah, you stop to the side with the eggshells. Alright.
That's it, beautiful. It's okay. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
All packed up, it's beach time. Just made a quick pit stop at Walmart for a pop-up tent and a beach wagon, which is long overdue. Now it's time to head down to Misquamicut.